5 tips that help me reduce that menopause belly. Is menopause really just driving you crazy? Is it just kicking your booty? Like, it's one heck of a journey, right? I'm going to give you 5 tips, so save this because I'm going to go pretty quick here. So 5 tips that help me lose that menopause belly. Number 1 is minerals. Minerals are really important. They fill in the gaps. They give you more energy. They help with fat burning, especially around here. Number 2 is a good digestive enzyme, one with 6 different enzymes and ginger root. I call it the stomach flattener. It helps with bloat. It helps digest your food so you can absorb the nutrients. As we get older, the acid in our stomach decreases and we don't digest food like we used to, and this helps with it. And it's a great de-bloat. Number 3 is a really great probiotic. A probiotic is going to help keep everything balanced in the gut. And we want that gut to be balanced. We want it to be happy, okay? So we can have better energy and better sleep and better mental stuff going on up here, because menopause can mess this stuff up in between the 2 ears. Emotionally, you could be an emotional roller coaster. So good gut health is really important. And also, with a good probiotic, it's going to push the toxins, heavy metals, and all the junk that we don't need out and give you a clean slate. Number 4 is a phyto, a really good superfood that's really dense with nutrients that fill in gaps that we're missing. It's going to help with all the puffiness and fluffiness that goes on during this menopause journey. And it's going to help with your digestive system. It's going to make your gut happy and give you really great gut health on top of it. And number 5 is a really good matrix complex collagen to help tame down all the puffiness and fluffiness that goes with menopause from head to toe, okay? Because everything is flared up during menopause. We're like a roller coaster. We want to tame things down, get rid of the bloat, get rid of the puffiness, fluffiness, and that hormonal belly. Can I get an amen? So if you would like the list, comment list down below, and also save it so you can refer back to it later.